If your class is doing database work and sending emails, you're violating one of the most fundamental rules in object-oriented design. Let's look at a classic violation. Here's a user manager class that does way too much. It saves users to a database, handles all the SQL queries, and sends welcome emails. This is the single responsibility principle's worst nightmare. One class is now responsible for both data persistence and email communication. These are completely unrelated concerns that have no business living in the same place. This class handles three distinct responsibilities. First, user data management, keeping track of user information. Second, database operations, writing SQL and managing connections. Third, email notifications, formatting messages and sending them. Each of these is a full-time job for a class, but we've crammed them all into one. Why is this a problem? Multiple reasons to change. If your email provider changes, you modify this class. If your database schema changes, you modify this class again. Testing becomes a nightmare because you can't test database logic without also dealing with email code. Everything is tightly coupled together, making your code fragile and hard to maintain. The fix is separation. Split this monster into three focus classes. A user repository handles only database operations. An email service handles only sending emails. And a user service orchestrates them, but doesn't implement the details. Now each class has one responsibility, one reason to change, and is independently testable. That's the single responsibility principle in action. Remember, one class should have one job and one reason to change. Master this principle and your code will thank you. Hit subscribe for more SOLID principles explained. Want to get better at answering questions like this? With Interview Mentor, you practice real interview questions out loud. You get personalized feedback and a grade on every answer, and you can track your improvement over time.